everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another K-pop related video. Surprise! I know it's almost the end of August, but I'm finally doing my favorite K-pop songs for July. And before I dive into that, I'll be also testing this skincare routine that I got from CVS, which is travel friendly. And I want to test it at home before I go and travel so I can know whether I want to buy it or not. Step in this routine is the cleansing oil, but at the moment I'm not wearing any makeup, as you can see, so I'll just be applying like this, like on my bare face. It's fine. Like I still have impurities on my face. Oh, and about the songs, which song should I do first? Oh, Highway to Heaven by NCT 127. I love that song. When it first came out, I was so obsessed with it. Like I would play it every single day. And it's one of the few K-pop songs in English that I like, because I feel like when K-pop artists try to make a song in English, sometimes can be like a hit or miss. But this one, it's so good. And I like the music video as well. So you should check it out. Okay, I'm really struggling here. So it's not much in here. It's just a bit. It spilled on the floor. I should have done this in the bathroom, like a proper beauty YouTuber. So do you guys like NCT? I'm not a fan because there's too many members and I cannot keep up with them, and also too many subunits. But I listen to their songs sometimes. So besides this one, I also like Cherry Bomb, Boss, and I think that's it. But Boss is not NCT 127, right? I think it's NCT U or NCT Dream. Oh, and I also like Boom by NCT Dream. There you go. Because that Boom was, I think it's Boom, right? Was also released in July, so that makes 2 songs already by NCT. Okay, so I put this all over my face, and now I have to like wash it off, but I'll do it off camera because I have to go to the bathroom and I'll come back. Okay, so I washed my face. It feels soft, and it also has like that cleansing oil had like bit of a scent, but it wasn't too strong, so that's fine by me. Let's move on to the next step, which is the face wash. So this skincare routine is very Korean, because after the cleansing oil it comes the face wash, which is known as double cleansing, and I do that on daily basis. And this one also has yucca, I think that's how you say it. It's a plant that's good for skin because it helps reduce the irritation of the skin. Okay, and then I'll just rip it off here. Okay, so what's the next song that I really liked in July? Humph. Oh yeah, Humph by Pentagon. Ooh, this is like kind of creamy. I don't know if you can see it. I like Pentagon because their songs are so like funky, and they always put me in a good mood, and their music videos are colorful. And I like that they didn't really let it show that they're affected by what happened with Edon when he left Pentagon, and that they keep making music and touring. I wish I could see them live, but I won't be able this year. So Humph, I think it's a great summer song. And I'll link all the songs that I mentioned in this video in the description box, so you guys can like check them out whenever you have time, or if you're looking for new music. I don't know what I'm doing. Face wash was alright. It was kind of like itchy on the sides, especially here, this area. So after I washed it off, I was afraid that it'll leave my skin like red in those areas, but it didn't. So I didn't really like the face wash. It was alright. I like the cleansing oil much more. But now let's go on to the first step, which is toner. So I'm not a big fan of toner because it's really hard for me to find one that actually works for my sensitive skin, but I'll still try this one and hopefully it will be good and it won't inflammate my sensitive skin. Oh, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I can't really see it. It's like white, so it doesn't have like a clear texture. See, it looks like this. Oh, but I like it when you put it on your face. It feels like very refreshing. So who knows, I might end up liking this toner. Movie Star by CIX, and they're a rookie group, and I'm in love with this song, and also the music video. It's so cool, like they're dancing and the way the music video was edited. But enough about the music video. The song is like so catchy, but also at the same time it has that like sexy undertone. So you should totally check it out. And they're like a cool rookie group. At first I didn't even know they were rookies. I thought it was like a group that has been around for like quite a while now. But the toner is alright. My skin doesn't feel irritated at all, and since I applied, which was like 2 seconds ago, I kind of feel like a bit of hydration on the face, so that's good, right? And now on to the fourth step, which is the avocado mask. As you know, I love face masks, so I'm super excited to try another one. I feel like there is so many face masks that I haven't tried yet. There are like millions of face masks in this world, and I want to try all of them. So if you have like a favorite brand of a face mask, please let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking to try new masks. So far this travel kit is alright. Oh yeah, of course I spilled some of that serum on me. It's so hard to do this when you're not like in the bathroom, but this is the life of a YouTuber, right? Okay, so it looks like this. Face mask, there's a lot of like sebum left on my face, and I kind of wow, words. Wow, words. I kind of massage that into the skin. The skin feels more moisturized at the moment. I think it's because of the face mask, and it also had avocado in it. So usually when I do a face mask, I just double cleanse my face, apply toner, and then put on a face mask, because I read that if you apply toner before using a face mask, you help that effect lasts longer, so like the effect of the face mask. But this skincare routine also has a moisturizer, so let's try the moisturizer and see how that goes with the face mask that I just had on my face. And the last song is Take Me to the UN Village. Well, I'm not the singer, but UN Village by Baekhyun, I love that song and the music video. And I'm currently new to EXO and the fandom, but he's one of my biases in EXO. And I follow his YouTube channel, and I was really excited when he announced his solo. And then when that song was released, I was like, oh my god, I love the vibe. And it also has that R&B vibe from like the 90s in the song. So okay, so the texture is light, which I like, because you know, in the summer I don't like doing heavy like moisturizer that have like a heavy texture, because I don't like my face feeling heavy when I step outside, especially where I live. It's very hot in the summer. It's like 40 degrees Celsius. So I tend to use products that are like on the lighter side in the summer. And I always apply product also on my neck, because I want the skin on my neck to feel moisture too. This has like a weird scent. Kind of smells like your typical, like your grandma's moisturizer, if you know what I mean. It's already like a lot left in here, so I can use it for like another time, or maybe like tonight, because I apply moisturizer twice a day, in the morning, at night. This was the skincare routine, the Korean skincare routine that I just did. And if you like any of the songs mentioned in the video, please let me know. Oh, and I forgot to mention the brand. It's from Jiinju. I hope I said that right. It was my first time trying this brand. Until next time, bye.